Fun Phoebe and Penelope.
Welcome back, friends, for another edition of Sink or Float with Fun with Penelope and Phoebe. Today we have different items. Penelope's gonna drop in her Pepsi first, but what do you think? Do you think it's gonna sink or float, Penelope?
Sink.
Sink?
Sink.
Sink? 2 sinks. Go for it. 1 Pepsi, here we go. Oh, that bounced.
Oh,
that almost was a floater.
It almost floated.
Okay, both got a point.
Okay.
Let's see who's gonna win this edition.
So it's 1 point for Phoebe, 1 point for Penelope. Yes.
It's your turn.
All right.
Okay, Phoebe, what are you gonna do?
This putty.
Putty. Oh yeah, but open it. Yeah, that's way more fun. Do we think it's gonna sink or float?
What do you think, Penelope? You think it's gonna float or sink?
Sink.
Sink?
Okay.
What about you, Phoebe?
Sink.
Oh, I thought that one might not have.
Oh, it did
They
sink.
both sunk. Okay, we're tied at 2 each.
Nice. Okay, it's a tie.
I
Okay.
wonder if the bubbles are gonna come up.
Probably
because
when
there's air
they
bubbles?
detach from the little putty.
Maybe. What are you gonna put in?
Okay, what's next, Penelope? What are you gonna test
Ooh,
out?
a choo-choo train piece with
Rainbow
dash on it. Do you think it's gonna sink or float, Penelope?
Float.
Float?
What do you think?
Sink.
You think it's gonna sink?
We got 1 float and 1 sink.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it's
Oh,
it sank. Oh, I thought it was gonna float too,
I
Penelope.
did too. That's okay.
Not fair.
We don't know if it's gonna sink or float.
Nope.
That's why we're doing the experiment.
Then I changed my mind.
Alrighty.
Okay,
Who's
Phoebe.
next? Phoebe?
What are you doing? Ooh, a strawberry.
A
Don't let that
strawberry.
near your sister.
All right.
Is it gonna
You would
sink
think
or float,
It's
Phoebe?
gonna sink or float. No.
Sink.
No eating it, Penelope.
Sink?
You said sink?
What do you think, Penelope?
Penelope? What do you think?
Sink.
Sink also?
Whoa!
Alright, it floats. You
it
two
floats.
get the point.
No
It
points
floats.
given. Okay, nobody got a point on that one, so we're still... Phoebe has 3 and Penelope has 2.
Alright, Penelope, you're next. What's your
What are you
next
putting
item?
in? Who's that?
Ooh, it looks like a My Little Pony.
That Twilight Sparkle?
Is that your favorite pony?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, she has hair on her too.
Oh, what do you think, Penelope? Sink or float?
Sink.
Sink?
What do you think?
Even with the hair?
Sink.
Sink also, Phoebe? Hold on, let's see.
Hold on, let's see.
All right.
What do we think with the hair? You don't think the hair is going to keep
You
it
think
up?
the hair will float it? Hold on. Okay, you can put it in.
Go for it.
Oh,
yeah, that did.
You're right.
You were right.
You both were right. It sank.
Look at the bubbles coming up.
I know.
Okay, Phoebe has 4 and Penelope has 3.
Wow, 4 items sank. Woo. Phoebe's in the lead with 1. Okay, Phoebe, what's next?
I'm gonna do this ball that comes apart.
Oh yeah, it's a
Ooh.
ball.
How big does it get?
That big.
Oh wow, that
Whoa,
does
do you
get
think
big,
it's going to
huh?
sink or float?
Definitely sink.
Sink?
Definitely
You think
sink?
it's denser than the water? Because if it's denser than water, it will sink. If there's no air bubbles, what do you think, Penelope? Float or sink? That's a hard one.
Float.
Float?
Float.
Okay.
1 sink,
Hold
1
on,
float.
hold on. Let's see. You want to press it into a ball, Phoebe? Okay. So that it fits the
Good
aquarium.
job.
Okay, now you can put it in. Let's see if it sinks or float. Let's
That's
see.
Float.
Oh, I don't know.
let's see,
no,
let's
that's
see.
not sink. That's float.
Oh, it's floating.
Good
It's
job.
floating. Good job,
I thought that one was
Penelope.
going to sink.
Penelope ties it up, right?
Yes, she does. It
What's
is
the score?
4-4.
4-4, tie game. Woohoo! All right, Penelope, you're next.
What do you want to put in? Ooh, a French fry poppet.
Ooh, that one looks cool. Okay, what do we think?
Sink or float?
Sink or float?
I'm
Hold
sorry.
on.
Float.
Float? What do you think?
Float?
Float.
Float? Both gonna float?
Hold on.
Alrighty.
And it floats.
It's floating.
I have
I
five.
think because there's air pockets.
I think so too. I'm gonna try something.
That's cheating, Mom.
We already decided. No, it's still floating.
It's floating. Okay.
Still floats.
Still floats.
We are still tied at 5-5.
All right, tie. Did you say float, Phoebe? All right. It's a tie of 5 points each. Phoebe, what's your next one?
This block.
It's a box?
MineCraft block.
It's a Minecraft box? I think it's a TNT box,
Oh,
right?
is it gonna blow up?
No, it's gonna
It's a McDonald's.
Oh, you think it's
Is
gonna
it a
sink?
McDonald's Happy Meal toy?
Yes.
Okay.
I think it's gonna float.
You think it's gonna float? Phoebe, what?
I think it's gonna sink.
Sink? Okay, if it gets some water in there, probably.
Maybe,
Go
yeah.
ahead.
It's
Right
sinking.
now it's floating.
Right now it's sinking.
Oh,
It needs to get water in it to sink.
Needs to fill up. You think?
Mama, still good.
let's see if it gets water.
Oh,
I think it's still floating if it gets water. Okay, we call that a float.
that's a float.
That's a float. So Phoebe said sink.
And Penelope said float.
Yep.
So it's 6-5. Penelope's in the lead by 1.
Ooh, Penelope, you're leading by 1. Okay, Penelope, you're next.
What are you gonna put in? Catboy or Princess Peach?
Princess
Princess
Peach.
Peach.
Let me see.
Mario Kart.
Let me see it. Okay. Ah, that is
Okay,
Princess
yeah,
Peach,
she's
McDonald's toy, huh?
Fast.
What do we think? Is it gonna sink or float?
Float. Float.
Float?
2 floats.
All right, Phoebe, you think it's gonna float? Okay.
Okay, what do you, let's see. Go ahead and put it in, Pen.
That's a
Sideways, but that's a floater.
I don't know, it's got air pockets though.
Oh.
Let's see, let's
Oh,
get
it
the
does.
air
I
out.
can see the air.
Oh, it's
No,
still
it's
floating.
still floating.
We got the air out and it's still floating. Okay. Yep, it's not as dense. It's not dense, so it's floating. It's got buoyancy.
You got
Nice.
6 and I got 7.
Let me see.
Yes. Phoebe's got 6 and Penelope's got 7.
Yep. All right, Phoebe.
I'm gonna
What's
drop
next?
in this Star Wars bracelet.
Ooh,
Alrighty.
and there's holes in it. So what do we think?
Okay, what do we think? It's plastic? Alrighty. What do you think, Phoebe?
I think it's gonna sink.
Okay,
I
girls.
think it's gonna sink too.
Sink? You two think it's gonna sink? Phoebe and Penelope? Okay. Go ahead, Phoebe.
Oh.
Wow, you guys are good. It
Yeah,
sank.
you even.
It's like
yeah.
a ring game.
I didn't.
It got
I thought that
caught
was
I thought it was
mine.
gonna float.
It got
Yeah.
caught on the flexi.
Wow.
That's cool.
Okay.
Now it's on display.
Yeah, that's cool. I really thought it was gonna float.
I did too.
You two are good at this.
You are.
Okay, what's the score?
Okay, Phoebe's at 7 and Penelope's at 8.
Nice. Penelope, you're still 1 up. Okay, Penelope, you're next.
We have Catboy.
All right.
PJ
from
Masks.
PJ Mask? Yeah. Okay.
Do you think he's gonna sink or do you think he's
He
gonna
looks
float?
pretty solid.
I
He
think
does.
he's gonna.
He looks pretty solid and dense. What do you guys think?
I think he's gonna sing. I think he's gonna.
You think he's gonna sink? Sink both sinks? Both sinks?
I don't know. It's that head that's got me.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's do it. Put it
Go
in,
ahead and put it
Penelope.
in. Oh!
Oh yeah, you
As his
girls
head
are
goes
great.
straight down.
He matches the water. He's all blue, and we have a blue Pepsi can and a blue PJ Masks
And blue
Catboy.
slime.
and blue slime. Wow, we're color matching today.
And blue
did.
water.
All right, what's the
Yeah.
score now?
Okay.
And blue water, huh?
Penelope's still in the lead by 1. It's 9-8.
Yep, 9-8. Penelope, you're still leading. Alrighty, Phoebe. What's
Phoebe,
the last
your last
item?
one.
I'm gonna drop in these
Ooh,
sunglasses.
glamorous sunglasses. I love it. Okay, what do we think, girls?
I think it's gonna sink.
You think it's gonna sink?
I think it's gonna float.
You think it's gonna float, Penelope? Ooh, okay. Hold on.
This is
a timer. This is for the
Phoebe
game.
can either tie it,
Yep.
or
Okay.
Penelope can.
Let's see. You can go ahead.
Go ahead. And it sinks.
I won.
No, it's a tie.
Let me see.
I like it.
Wow, it's a tie. 8 or what? 9 to 9.
9 to 9.
Whoa, do we have a tiebreaker item?
We sure do.
Let's get one. Okay.
Okay, we have a tiebreaker. It's a chip clip.
Froggy one.
Froggy one.
Ooh, green froggy. What do we think, girls?
I think it's gonna sink. I think it's gonna float.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Who's gonna put
Who's
it
gonna
in?
put it in? Yep.
Me. Is it a
Okay,
first?
Penelope, you do it.
Okay.
This is for all the marbles. Ooh, slowly.
slow sink.
But
It's a
it
slow
sunk.
Oh.
Okay, that means Phoebe
Okay.
wins at 10 to 9.
Phoebe wins the tiebreaker. That was a good competition,
That
girls.
was a good one.
Penny, you won the last sink or float game.
And now Phoebe wins.
Wow, that was good competition, girls.
Good job, ladies.
You want to wave bye-bye to your audience?
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Alrighty. Bye, guys. Woo.